So today I'll be unboxing another set of Powerpuff Girl X Crybaby collection, and I got two of them earlier and I did love the collection, and that's the reason why I got two more. And I really love the packaging when it comes to the packaging, and here you can see all the 12 designs, and the secret is this one. I'll put a picture here somewhere. It's 1 out of 144, and these are the designs you get: Bubbles, Blossom, Buttercup, then Mojo Jojo, then Bunny Bubbles, Bunny Blossom, Bunny Buttercup, and then the Professor, the Mare, Bedtime Bubble, Brushing Teeth, Blossom, and Sleepy Buttercup. So I've received two of them, but I wanted to get more because it looked really cute and it's really well made. That's the reason why I got it. I was never into crybabies. I found them very ugly, but now that I've have this, but now that I have this one, I think I like crybaby. I've started to warm up to it. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing. So this is the first box, and I like the way they've written even the toughest one rise. And this line suits Buttercup the most. So it comes in a normal Pop Mart packaging, nothing unusual or different. Let's see what I get this time. Oh wow, I really love her. So I finally got a Blossom, and I really wanted a Blossom, and I'm so glad I purchased it this time. I really love this one. She looks really adorable and cute. Look at those fluffy cheeks. And it has that pink tint, if you can see. I don't know if the camera is picking up, but it looks really cute. So that is Blossom, and the way she's like, she has a one of her feet up that looks really adorable, and she's having a moment, and she has her hands up. She looks really pretty. I love her. And those nice detail of Powerpuff Girls, that cute little heart clip, and that beautiful bow. So I like the fact that Blossom looks like totally matte and only the tears are shiny, just to depict that it's like actual tears. And even her shoes, you can see their shoes are really pretty, tiny shoes, and those are like really nicely shiny. And yeah, I was not expecting a Blossom, but I got a Blossom, so it's a good day for me. The first one is Blossom, and yeah, I love her. She's really cute. So I forgot to check the box. So it comes with accessories here. Let's just add the accessories. So this comes with a cute little bunny. Oh wow, this looks really cute. And just don't, I'm having a bad nail day, so yeah. That's the stand, I guess. Yeah, that's, even the stand is like sparkly. And that's the stand for Blossom. She looks really pretty, and she looks really awesome. I love her. She looks very cute. And let's just say the pair go really well together. So cute. So she comes with a card, and Blossom is 02. That's Blossom, and that's the other side. I really like how holographic the cards are in this series. Crybaby has done this collaboration with Powerpuff Girls really right, because I love the way they've made the cards. I mean, they are really nice material, quite thick. I mean, thicker than the Skull Pandas and Hirono cards. So yeah, I really like it. It's pretty nice quality card with holographic details. That's Blossom. On to box number 2. Let's just unbox it and see if I get the bubbles or buttercup, whichever. Oh wow, I got what I wanted, and I wanted a bubbles and a blossom. And yeah, she's really cute. I love her. She's awesome. Cute. Uh, Her expressions are a bit weird, but I love bubbles, so I can spare her that much. So yeah, she's looking so cute, so adorable. That's how she looks like from the back, and really nice one. And I really like blue teardrops on her. Blue teardrops look so good, so much better than the white one. So let's check her bag for any accessories. So there is an accessory and a card. That's the card for Bubbles. 01 Bubbles. And that's Crybaby X Pop Art. She looks very cute. The cutest one ever. Let's just see what we have here. So there's this cute little bunny, and he's like crying. He's just like the crybaby. He's crying, and here we have the stand, sparkly stand for Bubbles. Stands are a bit difficult to get in. So that's Bubbles with her tiny toy. There you go. She looks really cute. So there's Bubbles, and she's looking really cute with a toy. So cute. I love her. So nice. These two are the ones which I got. If you want to check out which one I got, you can check out the previous video. That's part 1. This one is part 2. So do check out that video if you want to. And yeah, this one is the best from the Crybaby and Powerpuff Girl collection. I really love that. I really love both of them, and I got what I wanted, so I'm really happy with my pull this time. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a nice day.